Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to hide hashtags in Instagram stories. We will start by opening our Instagram application. Then, we will click on the lower icon to add a new story or move the screen to the right. Now we create the story we want to publish. Once it is ready, we will add the hashtags. To do this, click on the face icon and then on the hashtags label. Write the hashtag you want and click on one already created if you want. Click on Done. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. To hide this label, press and hold it and drag it to one of the lower sides of the screen. Avoid dragging it to the center since otherwise you would delete it. When you see it disappear, you will have added a hidden hashtag to your story and you can finish publishing it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.